Hi, I'm making this video to show you how you can easily repair a broken whammy bar or tremolo bar where one piece is stuck inside your guitar. Usually with threaded holes this happens. I broke mine a few days ago and looked around on YouTube to see what I could do about it, and most solutions were technically good but often very complicated or completely overpowered. Some involved drilling the piece out and rethreading the slot, or using reversed screws to pull the piece out, and quite often you need to take your bridge from your guitar, which is quite a bit of work. While that may of course give you a good solution, I think in most cases it can be fixed a lot quicker, a lot easier, and without the need for special equipment. So what did I use? Very simple. First of all, one small hand drill, or a small light electric drill. As light as possible because you need to be able to control it precisely. The drill bit should be the smallest you have laying around. In my case I used a 2mm drill bit and that worked fine. Use a drill bit for metal of course, not one for wood because you will break the drill bit. Second of all, one screwdriver. Everybody has that laying around, I guess. Again, the tiniest you can find, but make it at least wider than a drill bit. Mine was 2.5mm wide. Now, position the drill on the stuck piece, maybe a little bit off center, but it doesn't need to be. Drill a hole of about 2 or 3mm deep. Do not let the drill get into contact with the thread inside the hole, so keep your aim steady. Drill slowly and patiently but precisely, because if you don't control your drill you might damage your guitar. Or you might damage the thread and then you need to take one of the other options on YouTube, which are much more complicated. Also make sure to suck out the metal shavings. Don't wipe them over your guitar finish because that will damage your finish. Use a vacuum cleaner or something, but do not wipe it off. When you have that first hole, drill another one directly next to it. Widen the hole in one direction. The point is to make a hole that fits your screwdriver. Try fitting your screwdriver in that widened hole. If it fits perfectly, you're good to go. Then you can just use it as a regular screw. You just screw the thing out of your guitar. And that's it. Good luck.